Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: cable seated, correct monitor selected, and that you have admin access. Open Control Panel, then Appearance and Personalization, and click Screen Resolution. Once there, you can see the current resolution and the detected display. Make sure the monitor and adapter are correctly identified. If not, click Detect. Now, choose the initial resolution from the drop-down so you have a baseline to compare. This prevents guesswork when you change settings. Next, change the resolution stepwise. Pick the recommended setting first, then test higher or lower options in small increments. If modes are missing, open Device Manager and update or roll back the display adapter driver. You may need to uninstall and reinstall the driver. For exact modes, click Advanced Settings, Adapter tab, then list all modes to pick refresh rate and color depth. Once done, apply settings and use the 15-second confirmation to keep the change, ensuring the desktop scale. To finish, apply your chosen resolution and watch for the confirmation prompt. Confirm within 15 seconds, otherwise Windows reverts. Make sure icons and UI elements appear sharp. If not, try changing the refresh rate or color depth. If the screen goes blank or shows no signal, reboot into safe mode and reinstall the graphics driver, or test with an external monitor to isolate hardware faults. One key troubleshooting tip: swap the video cable and port first. Bad cables mimic driver problems and are quick to rule out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.